I think English therapy environment is good for learning English. This is Nobi Alom. I'm from Silet Sunamganj to be more exact. Uh, I'm learning now English there. For I want to go abroad for my higher study. That's all.
Okay. After completing your first month, how was your experience?
When I admitted there, I cannot speak properly. I have mumbling problem. So now I think and I improve. I can speak English properly and day by day, little by little, I am improving.
Okay, then can you say something about your future plan?
I want to go abroad for higher study, and in the long run, I want to be a successful businessman.
Okay, it's fine. And I want to know about if then please say something about our English therapy environment.
English therapy environment is excellent. Also, when we admitted there, first day to last day, we must speak English, and if we say any Bangla word or another language without English, then we must pay 20 taka. So that's why we speak always English and always speak English. That's why we are improving day by day. And I think English therapy environment is good for learning English.
Okay, and now after completing your first month, you want to suggest some English therapy for learning English.
I think I am improving. That's why I suggest and prepare for English therapy, my relatives and my friends, because I learn there and I am improved day by day. If I finish, when I finish my course, I think I will be a good speaker. And if my friend want to know which institute is good for learning English, I prepare for English therapy. He can admit it there. For English therapists, I like three things: their environment, their teaching method, and their sir is so politely. They friendly. Our sir friendly teaches us. That's why we are improving because of environment, teaching method, and sir politely and friendly.
Then thank you for say something about English therapy and also say something about your future plan and please say something about your outdoor class.
Oh, okay. Outdoor class is outstanding. When we doing outdoor class, that time sir selected our friend and selected some topics. Then we talk about this topic and sometime we talk about situational question and when we do outdoor class, their situation wise we talk outdoor class. So I think this is good for English learning.
Now you say about your confidence before time when you admitted English therapy and now after completing your first month about your self confidence.
Yeah. Now if I say I have confidence, I can do something where use English and I have experience to speak in English and I can do something in if I need English anywhere and I can speak English and I talk other country people and I think my English is improved, so I can do something in English. What I want to do.
Okay, sir. Thank you for saying your experience in English therapy and thank you. See you again. Assalamu alaikum.